How to create an MSP account. Prerequisites. An authentication mode has been configured for MSP administrators. Username and password, or username and password and SMS verification code, can be configured for authentication on MSP administrators when they log in to iMaster NCE-Campus. If username and password and SMS verification code is required, an SMS server must be configured in advance. When creating an MSP administrator, the system administrator needs to enter user information such as the email address and mobile number, and create a privacy statement for the user to sign. The privacy statement notifies the user that the information needs to be obtained and asks for the user's authorization. Configuration procedure. Configure MSP information. Configure MSP administrator information. Function description. A system administrator can create a root MSP administrator on iMaster NCE-Campus. Application scenarios. The system administrator does not directly provide services for tenants. Instead, an MSP provides service for tenants. Therefore, you need to create an MSP and an MSP administrator first. An MSP is responsible for providing cloud-managed devices and cloud network services for tenants. After a tenant applies for managed services from an MSP, the MSP can check the device status and maintain devices on the tenant network using iMaster NCE-Campus. Procedure. Step 1. Log in to iMaster NCE-Campus as the system administrator. Step 2. Choose MSP Management, MSP Management, MSP Management from the main menu. Step 3. Click Create to configure MSP information. The MSP name must be different from those of existing accounts. MSP administrators for which a privacy statement has been configured must sign the privacy statement as prompted when they log in to iMaster NCE-Campus. Otherwise, the login will fail. Step 4. Click Next to configure MSP administrator information. Manually configure a password. Set password creation mode to manual creation. Then, you can directly set a password when creating the account. The user using this account will be prompted to change the password when logging in to iMaster NCE-Campus for the first time, and can log into the system only after the password is changed successfully. Configure a password via email. Set password creation mode to email address creation. After the account is created, the system sends a URL to the user's email box. The user can click the URL to configure a password for the account. If a password is created via email, the user does not need to change the password upon the first login to iMaster NCE-Campus. Step 5. Click OK. Verifying the configuration. Log in to iMaster NCE-Campus using the created MSP account.